Yes, the government had released the third and final installment of the amount which is due to the employees last week, and the MCCL had also received this amount, and currently they are in the process of releasing to the employees of MCCL. If you could recall, the government had announced a one-time special industrial closure scheme for MCCL employees in the month of January 2025, and the government had also made a commitment to the employees of MCCL that this amount will be settled in 3 installments and within 3 financial years, amounting to a total of around 90 crores. So the government had released the first installment in the month of March 2025, which is around 36 crores, which is 40% of the 90 crores in the first installment. The second installment was made in the month of July 2025, amounting to around 27 crores, which is 30% of the 90 crores. And finally, during this month, the government had released the last and final installment, which is a third installment, amounting to 27 crores, which is around 30% of the 90 crores. Yes, initially the government had made a commitment that it will be completing the entire 90 crores within 3 financial years and in 3 installments. But we are very happy that the government, just within 2 financial years, had completed the entire amount which is due to the MCCL employees. Therefore, we are very grateful to the MDA government under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister for listening to the requests of the employees to release the amount, the entire amount at the earliest. And it clearly indicates that the MDA government is a government that keeps up to its commitment. And here we have a case where we have been able to complete all the financial installments much before the time settled. Yes, I am also very happy to inform that all the dues, the pending dues that is due towards the suppliers of MCCL, be it the coal suppliers, the clay suppliers that had been lying pending for all the past many years, had been settled during the early part of this particular financial year. So this release towards the employees of MCCL will also enable them to utilize the amount that has been received by them judiciously. That will also help in ensuring a good livelihood for the MCCL employees.